Okay. Guys, today's topic, my voice is audible to all?
Yes, Jagdish is audible.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Today's topic, we are going to see about this ADF concept. For that ADF, we just see about just more basic concept, basic operation of just moving our data from SQL, Azure SQL to Azure storage. Okay, just ADF is nothing but a Azure data factory. First of all, here we see DC and BCDR, and now moving to ADF part. Here in this task, our main goal is we move our data from Azure SQL Server to Azure Storage. So first we I go to the directly and go to the procedure first. Step one, we need to create the SQL server in this Azure. We already aware about that. Hope in this previous sessions I explained about those all those things. How can we create SQL server? If you don't aware about that, just watch those videos. Else I am say once again, SQL server, just go to the Azure and type in the SQL server. You get in the SQL server, just click create and give some basic details. And after created of this thing, you can see like these pages. This is the SQL server page. You need to give this name because some names are not available. Just check it once if the name is available or not. Then create, after created, just create the SQL database and login. Just go to the query and we have an option of a create database there. See here, just go to create database and just log in there and go to the query page. Here we can just directly here just giving some sample details only, just pick up some queries. If you want to, means you just import some Microsoft sample data also for the operation. After that we import that those things or create some queries. Just we create the Azure data factory. Just go to the Azure data factory. We need to we do this process using ADF. Just if you create the Azure data factory, this overview is like this. From after going inside this Azure data factory, you can get this overview. There's two options. This is read the document and open Azure Data Factory Studio. You can get it. If you go with this document, you can get the updated docs of Microsoft about ADF. You can read it out. If you want, just go to perform, means just select this open Azure ADF Studio. If you select, means it's directly redirect to the next window. This is a new window for this after clicking of Azure ADF. Then after clicking out here, this is step 4 is just click in digest. Just here, just the copy the data scale once the these are some other operations like code free pipelines and transformation. But in this scenario, we are going to use this option. It just click the ingest and after go inside that, and you can get this like these options like we need to mapping this to source and target and settings and review and finish. These are simple steps for this copying operation. This property, just we need to click out this built-in copy task, this one. And if you want to run in the scheduled manner or else a triggered manner, doubling windows like that, you can able to use this option. Here we going to do in this the only one, run once now only, that just select that and click next. If you click next, it's moving to the source thing. This select the source type and create the connection. See this every option is happening inside this connection based. So that's why first we going to just mapping this connection. This is so this is the target. This here only we're going to do those things. That's all. Just in this source data store, if you can need to select this source. The source type, this Azure block storage is our source. Then we don't have any connection, so we just click new connection, just create that connection. This prerequisite is we need to create this Azure storage block. Just type in this Azure storage. We just create in the storage and create our own container for that. And we're going to create a new connection. Okay, just for this new connection we give this name, just give the blog whatever the name. And this is one more important thing. This is the we need to select here in this auto resolving integration runtime for those things. This is based on this. If we do this operation, this Azure to Azure or Azure to other hybrid on premises, like this integration runtime. These three concepts are coming under those things. If you select Azure to Azure, here we task is Azure SQL to Azure storage. That's why we here selecting auto resolving integration runtime. Then authentication key method is just select a account key. Then as it is, then just give the some basics about this. Just give the Azure subscription ID. Just copy the subscription and give there. And if you select here, you can get the you can see this what are the storage account you have, all those things. Just select where you have the target. Sorry, source you need to select and those things. Just select those things and first give the test connection. If it gets succeed means just create the connection. Definitely it will be get succeed because in these steps it's 99% there is a no chance to fail out those happen. Then these are some steps to creating storage account here. Just I'm here wording my wordings mentioned here. Just I created the storage Azure. Then uh, just select the auto integration runtime and give us database name as Java is my just database name, and we need to give the source. We just select those things. This database name, I'm just giving this database name. We need to select this authentication type here. Just click authentication type and choose SQL. And as it is, how you can log into this SQL server. As it is, we need to give the username as system name / server name and give the password. Select the password and give the password and test the connection and create it. Check the test connection. If test is get succeed, you can get this green tick mark. If it have any problem means we can just double click on that. We can just troubleshoot those error. This error message will be displayed there. Then we move to the third part of and select an output location of the storage container here. Just here we already created in the storage part, just inside the container, just out container is my output container. Just I created those things in this storage things. Here we need to select and target locations is block storage and test connection. Then you can select this file formatting comma, but here in case you need it, you can able to change if you want you changes. Otherwise you no need to do changes. It will be getting automatically mapped. Other than that, anything you no need to do any changes. This task name is copy pipeline. It's auto named task. If you want to rename this, you can able to rename this. If you want to describe this task means just describe those things. Just click next there, and you can give the review and finish summary box. You can get it like this images in this pictorial manner, like SQL Server 2. You moving the part to from Azure block storage. Then task name is displayed here, and connection name, database type, and everything. Those are described here. Just click out. Just scroll down here means you can getting multiple things about this data summary of those things. Where the source, where's the target, where we're going to migrate, number of tables, etc., etc. We can find out. If you want to do changes in this, just go with this right side of this corner. Just click on the edit. You can able to do any changes on those. That in this after click reviewing and this step, we can getting this status in progress. Just validating is happening. Just within few more minutes, it will be get everything is in the succeed. Okay, this is succeed. Then how can we check this process is completed successfully or not? It's from this SQL server to it getting successfully migrated to. Just go with your Azure account. You can check with that. Just click finish, or else if you want to monitor, you can just monitor all those jobs. What are those things happening inside there? Then after go to there and here I am go inside there in my storage account. I have these things. Just click and go right click on that. Just click view / edit. you can see those in this output here. Whatever you want, you can able to change those things, like this. If you want to map when you import some database, some Excel sheets from this SQL using, during time you can able to mapping option is there, like that. The same here also you can able to do those things. After that, here our data is migrated, data is successfully here. Here I'm giving some sample data, Microsoft sample data. That's why see the demo sales order details like that. Here we can see those output data here. This is the copy method of Azure SQL to Azure storage using data pipeline, ADF, guys. Anybody have any doubt, guys? Hello, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, stop the recording. This recording is available in this Teams. Whenever you need just check with this recording. Okay, thank you for your time, guys. Let's close this session.